Hey guys, another episode of Richness is Living. Today we are going to change out the fan behind the back of the fridge. Here are some of the parts you're going to need. You're going to need a new fan. This is a 120 millimeter case fan for a computer. Some wire snips and some zip ties. That's what I'm going to use to hold the fan up. And put in a manual switch just because it's easier. I have that from an old project. Some spare wire just in case I need to a little longer of a run. I don't think I will. Some new fuses, some 6 amp fuses, some wire connectors, 2 different sizes, and a screwdriver. So let's get started. Hey guys. We're in front of the RV fridge vent, and we have some music again. So here's the old fan. It still works, but the thermostat right here is broken. So I'm just going to bypass this, and while I'm back here, I figure might as well replace this inefficient fan. The DC power, because that's what I'm working with, is disconnected, but I do have the AC power still on, so the fridge is working. Alright, I'm gonna get started, and first I'm going to take apart the wire connectors that are holding the old fan in place. I already removed the screws that hold this fan in place right next to on this little bracket. Alright, old fan. Now we're going to follow that red wire all the way to this. We're just going to bypass this whole thing, so I'm just going to disconnect it right here at the wire connect. There's the switch. All we're gonna do is reattach the switch, and this is where the fuse goes. So I checked the fuse; it's good, and I'll just put it back together. All right. Ooh, this might not be good anymore. Nope, no good. So I'm gonna replace the fuse, and see you in a sec. I got a replacement fuse. Attach the switch first before I put the fuse back in, and I'm also going to connect the fan. We're going to utilize the wire connectors that we've had here. I'm going to utilize these orange ones. And, just since this isn't attached to anything, and we're going to snip the wires right here, since here's a 3 connect for a computer, and here's a 4 connect. But if you notice, the 4 connect, there's only 2 wires. So we're just going to cut it here and use these 2 wires. Of course, we need to strip these wires. So here we have it. There's no stripe. Oh, it looks like it attaches. Looks like, so the stripe is usually the negative. By touching the lines real quick and seeing which wire needs to touch which wire to be able to get this fan moving. So I'm gonna put my fuse in. Be especially careful not to have that line touch anything again. Alright. And this is the, looks like the positive. I'm gonna go positive to positive. Negative to negative. Oh, I just remembered. I turned off the DC power. Positive. Okay, got the fan connected to the switch. It doesn't fit on this bracket like the old fan, so I'm going to use some zip ties to attach it to these coils. It'll be easy to replace if they ever start to get brittle. It's pretty cheap, and this fan moves more air than the old one, and if it's in the same spot, it should be fine. I put 2 zip ties per hole. It also keeps them from sliding out on me while I'm trying to install this. Let me move the camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't keep knocking this thing down. I'm just gonna keep pulling these guys tight to levitate this. Yeah, that's pretty good in there. Just gonna tighten it up a little bit more. Okay, gonna take all these wires and I'm gonna tuck them away. Just make the switch the most accessible, so I can just open this up and click. I feel the air, so hopefully we have some more efficiency. I just wanted to give you guys an overall shot of what everything looks like now. There's the switch, and there's the fuse right there, and there's the fan, and it's running. So cool. See you guys next time on Richness is Living.